What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, here to talk about some of the updates that's coming to Robinhood. I'm talking about the Robinhood app, the trading platform in 2020. So if you're not familiar with the Robinhood trading platform, which is weird because you clicked on a Robinhood video, but nevertheless, if you're not familiar, understand that Robinhood is a trading platform where you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and also you can purchase and sell cryptocurrencies. So they're in the business of trading money or trading value for shares of companies. Now, they recently made an announcement about some of the changes that's coming in 2020, which is going to help the everyday person become an investor. They're trying to attract as many young investors as possible, and they're also trying to keep up with the industry. So they're making changes, which is going to benefit you as a customer, especially if you don't have a lot of money to invest in the market. Now, here are some of the changes that they're going to make in 2020. As of December 13th, 2019, the Robinhood trading platform will allow some of its users to trade fractionally or participate in fractional trading. Previously, they didn't do this, and fractional trading, if you didn't know, that means that you can purchase an ETF or a stock on a fractional basis, meaning, okay, if you wanted to buy Amazon stock and you know Amazon stock is worth more than $1,000, well, you still could do so with $1, maybe even 1 cent, depending on what fractions they allow. But it allows you as an investor to invest in stocks and shares that maybe you can't afford when it comes to purchasing one complete share of a stock or an ETF. If you trade in cryptocurrency, you've already been doing this because this is how people purchase Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is worth $7,000 per Bitcoin, people just buy it at a $1 or $2 fraction instead of buying the whole one total Bitcoin with $7,000, because most people can't afford a $7,000 Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. So the cryptocurrency market has always been a fractional trading market, but now we're seeing that more widespread when it comes to regular stocks and ETFs. Now, this move, just to let you know, follows up on what's happening in the industry. JP Morgan is doing this on a limited basis. It's not exactly the same, but they're doing some version of this. Cash App is going to allow this. I think they may already do so, but Cash App will allow you to invest on a fractional basis. Schwab also does this, and they announced that if they don't do it now, that they'll be doing it in 2020. So the industry is moving in that direction. So Robinhood had to do it anyway, but it is positive that they chose to take this step. And again, on December 13th, only some users will have the ability to use this feature, because with any rollout, you don't just put it out there to everyone, you kind of test it. But come January, February, or even March of 2020, all users will have the ability to trade on a fractional basis. Also coming to Robinhood in early 2020 will be the DRIP feature, which is the Dividend Reinvestment Plan. This is where your cash dividends will automatically be reinvested. So you won't have the temptation to take your cash dividends. Instead, you can reinvest it so that you can make more money on other investments. A lot of people like this feature because it takes some control out of their hands, and it makes sure that their money is reinvested in the market instead of maybe being spent on something frivolous that they felt like they shouldn't spend on in the first place. Now, outside of feature updates, some of the biggest changes that may take place at Robinhood is that the company may go public in 2020. It was rumored in 2019 that they may go public, but they looked at the timing and it didn't happen. So now it's looking like 2020, the company will go public through a direct listing, which is great for its users because it gives users the opportunities not to only invest in other companies, but now to invest in the platform in which they use. We don't know the pricing, but we do know as of today, the valuation of the company is roughly around $7.6 billion with over 10 million accounts. This company is 6 years old. They're growing quickly. We don't know all the financials that should come out later. But of course, if they file for an IPO or a direct listing with the SEC, some of this information will become public knowledge, and we'll be able to see and dissect if this company is worth investing in. But ultimately, if you're a fan of the platform, if you are a person that loves Robinhood, if you love their features, you love their crypto features, you love their trading features, especially with fractional investing, then maybe you want to look at an opportunity to invest in the company yourself. Now, of course, this doesn't mean that you're going to be able to take over and take control of the company if you buy a lot of shares, but it does give you an opportunity to invest in the platform that you use for trading. All right, guys, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think about fractional trading and the opportunity to do so on Robinhood. Does it make you more likely to use the app? Maybe you're a user and you're looking forward to that, or maybe you're not even a trader, you're a beginner, or you're thinking about trading. Does the opportunity to invest on a fractional basis make you more likely to invest and get off the sidelines? Also, what about the opportunity to be an investor in Robinhood itself? Do you feel like it's a company worth investing in? I want to know what you guys think in the comment section, especially if you're not a veteran trader or you haven't been in the market and you think that, you want to get in. Does fractional trading, being able to buy expensive stocks or fractions of them for a less expensive price, does that entice you into trading? Does it make you believe that you can afford to invest? Let me know in the comment section. I appreciate your support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We talk about IPOs, we talk about stocks, we talk about financial literacy, we talk about building your financial dreams one day at a time, step by step, and we help you get there through each video. Let me know what you think.